There is a haircut that millions of women over 60 are getting right now because their stylist recommended it, their friends have it, and it seems like the practical, sensible choice. And that haircut is quietly and consistently making them look older, heavier, and more tired than they actually are. Today we are not just exposing what makes a haircut fall into the granny cut category. We are replacing it with 5 specific cuts that make women over 60 look younger and completely alive. And number 3 is the one nobody expects to work as well as it does. Stay with me. Welcome to Elegance at any age, where a woman over 60 should never have to choose between looking her age and looking her best, because those two things are not the same. New here? Subscribe right now. Returning viewers, welcome back home. Drop a comment telling me your current haircut and give this a thumbs up. Let us get straight into it. Haircut number 1. The shaggy layered lob. The shaggy layered lob is not your grandmother's haircut, and it is definitely not the polished smooth lob that most people picture when they hear the word lob. The shaggy version has deliberate texture built into every layer, slightly undone ends that look effortless rather than precise, and a relaxed energy that reads as youthful and modern without trying too hard to be either of those things. Here is what makes it so powerful for women over 60. The texture and the layers mean the hair is always moving. There is never a moment where it sits flat or looks heavy, because the shag layers create constant movement and volume throughout the cut. And movement in hair reads directly as vitality and youth to anyone looking at you. The lob length, which sits anywhere between the chin and the collarbone, is long enough to elongate the face and neck but short enough to avoid the downward pull that very long hair creates. It is genuinely one of the most flattering length and texture combinations available. Why it works: movement creates the impression of energy and youth. Layers remove weight and heaviness from the hair. The length elongates the face and neck without pulling anything downward. And the slightly undone quality means it looks effortless every single day without requiring extensive styling time. How to ask for it: tell your stylist you want a lob with shag layers and textured ends. Ask for face framing pieces around the forehead and temples. Ask them to point cut the ends rather than blunt cut them, so the texture is built directly into the haircut itself. Haircut number 2, the asymmetrical bob. An asymmetrical bob is a bob where one side is cut slightly longer than the other, creating a diagonal line through the haircut. And that diagonal line is the specific detail that makes this haircut so exceptionally flattering for women over 60. Here is the reason. Diagonal lines in hair and in clothing create visual movement across the face and body. Instead of the eye traveling straight across a horizontal line and measuring width, the eye follows the diagonal upward, which creates the impression of lift and length. The face looks more sculpted, the jawline looks more defined, and the whole impression is of a woman who looks modern, intentional, and genuinely youthful. The asymmetrical bob also draws attention to the longer side of the cut, which can be used very cleverly to highlight the best features of the face. Most stylists will cut the longer side to fall toward whichever side of the face is more symmetrical or more striking, which creates a natural and flattering frame. Why it works: the diagonal line lifts the face visually. The asymmetry creates interest and modernity that reads as fashion-forward rather than age-appropriate. The bob length keeps the hair light and away from the shoulders, which prevents any downward dragging of the face. How to ask for it: tell your stylist you want an asymmetrical bob with the longer side falling about 2 inches below the jaw on your preferred side. Ask for soft texture at the ends rather than a blunt line, and ask for the shorter side to be tapered softly rather than cut harshly. Haircut number 3, the grown-out pixie, the surprising one. Here it is. Haircut number 3. And the reason this one surprises people is because the grown-out pixie sounds like an accident rather than a style choice. It sounds like what happens when you have a pixie cut and you forget to go back to the salon. But a deliberately grown-out pixie on a woman over 60 is one of the most genuinely youthful and striking haircuts available, and here is exactly why. A grown-out pixie has length through the top and front of the hair while keeping the sides and back relatively short and close. This creates a silhouette that has volume and movement at the top of the head, which lifts the face visually while keeping the sides clean and uncluttered, which defines the jaw and the cheekbones. The grown-out quality means there are soft pieces around the face, through the temples and around the forehead, that create the gentle face framing effect we talked about earlier. These pieces are not precise or structured. They are relaxed and soft, which is exactly what makes them so flattering. Why it works: volume at the crown lifts the face and creates the impression of height and energy. Soft pieces around the face direct attention toward the eyes and cheekbones. The relaxed grown-out quality gives the hair a natural, effortless appearance that reads as genuinely youthful rather than carefully constructed. How to ask for it: tell your stylist you want a grown-out pixie with length kept at the top and crown, soft tapered sides and face framing pieces through the temples and forehead. Ask them to texturize the top section so it has movement and body rather than sitting flat. Okay, let us pause right here for just a moment, because if haircut number 3 just made you see the grown-out pixie in a completely different light, then this video is already doing exactly what it is supposed to do. Drop a comment right now and tell me which of these first 3 haircuts you are most drawn to, because I genuinely want to know what this community is feeling. And if you are watching right now and you have not yet subscribed to Elegance at any age, then please do it right now. We share honest, practical, real advice for women over 60 who want to look and feel their absolute best every single week on this channel, and I would hate for you to miss a single video. Subscribe right now, turn on your notifications and give this video a like if it is changing how you think about your hair. Now let us get into the final 2 haircuts, and these are both absolutely stunning. Haircut 4, the soft curtain bang bob. Most women over 60 hear the word bangs and immediately feel resistance. And that resistance usually comes from a memory of blunt, heavy bangs that sat flat across the forehead and made the face look shorter and heavier. But curtain bangs are something completely different, and they change everything. Curtain bangs are soft, wispy pieces that part in the middle and fall gently on either side of the forehead, framing the face like the 2 sides of an open curtain. They are never heavy, never blunt, and never the kind of bangs that require daily precision styling. They are relaxed, soft, and effortless. When curtain bangs are paired with a bob, the combination creates one of the most face-flattering haircuts available to women over 60. The curtain bangs frame the forehead softly and draw immediate attention to the eyes. The bob length keeps the overall silhouette light and proportionate. And the combination of the 2 creates a haircut that photographs beautifully, looks polished in person, and genuinely takes years off the face. Why it works: curtain bangs create a soft frame around the upper face that draws the eye directly to the eyes and brows, which are some of the most expressive and youthful features. They also cover any changes in the hairline or forehead area that a woman may feel self-conscious about. The bob underneath keeps everything balanced and elegant. How to ask for it: tell your stylist you want a bob with soft curtain bangs parted in the middle. Ask for the bangs to be cut very lightly and wispy rather than heavy and blunt. Ask them to be long enough to tuck behind the ear when you want them out of your face. Haircut 5, the voluminous rounded bob. The final haircut on today's list is the one that combines everything we have talked about into one beautifully balanced and deeply flattering cut. The voluminous rounded bob is a bob that has been cut and styled to have genuine fullness and roundness through the back and sides, with the volume sitting at the level of the cheekbones rather than below them. Here's why the placement of that volume matters so much. When a bob has its fullest point at the cheekbone level, it visually lifts that area of the face and creates the impression of higher cheekbones and a more lifted overall facial structure. Higher cheekbones are consistently associated with youth and vitality. When a bob has its fullest point below the cheekbones, down at the jaw or the neck, it draws the eye downward and creates the impression of sagging rather than lifting. The rounded shape at the back also creates a beautiful silhouette when viewed from the side and from behind. The hair appears full and healthy rather than flat and thin, which makes the whole person look more vibrant and energized. Why it works: volume at the cheekbone level visually lifts the mid-face, creating a more youthful facial structure. The rounded shape creates fullness and health in the hair. The overall effect is a woman who looks refreshed, vibrant, and genuinely 10 years younger than a flat, shapeless cut on the same person. How to ask for it: tell your stylist you want a bob with the fullest point of the volume sitting at your cheekbones. Ask for the shape to be rounded and full at the back rather than flat. Ask for light layers inside the bob to create the volume without adding weight to the ends. Here is the most important thing to take away from everything we covered today. A granny cut is not inevitable. It is not the natural conclusion of getting older. It is simply what happens when a haircut is chosen for practicality alone, without any consideration of movement, face framing, and proportion. And now that you know what to look for and what to ask for, you never have to accept it again. The shaggy layered lob for effortless movement. The asymmetrical bob for modern lift. The grown-out pixie for surprising youthful volume. The curtain bang bob for gentle beautiful face framing. The voluminous rounded bob for cheekbone lifting fullness. 5 completely different haircuts and every single one of them sharing the same quality. They make women over 60 look younger, lighter, and completely alive. Take this list with you to your next salon appointment. Show your stylist this video if you need to. Because you deserve a haircut that works as hard for you as you have worked your entire life. If this video helped you today, please share it with a friend who is thinking about changing her hair, because this could genuinely change her next salon visit completely. Leave a comment below telling me which of the 5 haircuts you are most excited to try. Subscribe to Elegance at any age if you have not already, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a week with us. Thank you so much for being here today. You are not just getting older. You are getting more elegant every single day. And I will see you in the next one.